Hello everyone, I am your facilitator from Millennium Family. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about inventions of tools and fire and how it was helpful for early men. Before moving further, let's do an fun activity. I asked you in previous session to be ready with a fruit or vegetable. Now you have to eat it without using knife, fork, bowl, plate. Yes, give a try. You can do it. How's it? Yes, early human ate in this manner because they did not have tools and utensils. Now suppose if all these tools and technology is not available, what will happen? Yes, it will be very difficult to do day to day work. Now kids, look at the picture carefully. These are the tools used by early men. These tools were made up with stones and bones of animals. Now let's have a tour to the early men's time and we will know how they discovered fire and stone tools.
Early humans. Long, long ago, there lived people who did not look like us. They did not talk like we do. They were the early humans. Early humans walked a lot in search of food and water. Early humans lived in forests. They slept in caves or in trees. Early humans covered themselves with leaves and animal skins. Early humans ate wild fruits and roots. They also hunted animals for meat. They ate this meat raw. After a long time, early humans learned to make fire. They began to cook food. Fire also kept them warm. Early humans drew pictures on the walls of caves. Early humans made things to hunt animals. These things are called tools. Early humans made pots of clay. They carried water in the pots. They used sharp-edged stones to kill animals. These stone tools improved with time and their requirements. They made spears, hammers, and axe heads. Gradually, they started making tools with bones. They were used not only for hunting, but also for cutting, digging, and sewing. They covered their bodies with large leaves, barks of trees, and animal skin, which they sewed together with needle made of bones.
Now you understood how they invented tool and discovered fire by watching video. Now to understand more, read the given explanation with me. The early men started using weapons made of stones to kill wild animals. While picking stones from the forest, probably two stones got rubbed against each other and produced a spark. It is assumed that this is how fire was discovered. So, by watching video and reading this paragraph, we could understand that how fire invented and how they discovered tools. They used stones and bones of animals to make weapons, and while making weapons, probably two stones got rubbed against each other and it produced spark, and by this fire was discovered. Now we will do a quick revision what we have learned till now. We have seen video and pictures of tools used by early men and also got to know how they invented fire. Now have a look how fire is useful for early men as well as today's life. Study of early man helps us to know how our ancestors lived and how important discoveries like fire were made. Many of the things we do today rely heavily on fire. We cannot cook without fire. Fire keeps our homes warm. Fire and smoke help keep mosquitoes and flies away. Fire is used for melting metals. By this, many useful things like machines, utensils were produced, and still in today's life it is useful. Now children, be ready with your things and give shape to your creativity. Make the tools used by early man by using clay and toothpick sticks. Try to make your own tools. Well done. Now we will summarize the session with the mind maps. Fire, how it invented and useful for today's life and early humans' life. Children, you can note down these in your notebooks for revision. Fire, invention, probably two stones got rubbed and produced a spark. This is how fire discovered. Uses. In early humans' life, fire used to cook food and to be safe from wild animals. In today's human life, it is used to cook food, to keep our home warm, and for melting metals. We have learned about stone tools, how it invented. Any tool made either partially or entirely out of a stone is called stone tool. It is used in making needles, to hunt animals for food, for being safe from animals, and in farming. It's quiz time. You all have to give answers quickly. What did early man eat? Was it cooked or uncooked? Yes. How did they discover fire? Tools used by early men was made up of? Yes. How the discovery of fire was useful for them? Well done. I hope you enjoyed the session. Now note down the IP. Write the uses of fire in early humans' life and nowadays. And for next session, arrange ice cream sticks, cardboard, scissors and Fevicol. Till then, take care. Bye bye.